Well, here we are on an allotment here, and we're actually right on the edge of some flooded, waterlogged areas of the field here. Very wet underfoot. Luckily the water's not come all the way up as it has done in previous years. Very waterlogged underfoot here. The flatlands across the town are actually waterlogged, which is quite rare, I'd say, although it does happen in smaller ways, but not quite as much as the water here. Come all the way through the hedge there, as you can see, totally submerging part of this greenhouse here and the allotment alongside here.